welcome back to my channel. My name is Velma I, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this quick and easy Christmas eye look that I created for when you're in a hurry, if you have like a Christmas party last minute and you don't really know what to wear but you want to be festive. It came out really pretty, just red and green, just basic Christmas. Like, this is what Christmas is about. And so yeah, so if you want to see how I came out with this quick Christmas eye look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I'll be doing this quick and easy Christmas eye look that Diet Shane. And I know I keep telling you guys in every single video that my husband's gonna fix that thing. I'll try to remember to ask him. He gets here like in 1 hour. And with coconut primer by Wet n Wild, I think this stuff is really good. The hair might be in the way, but that's okay. I don't really want to put it up because it's gonna crease. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. Love. But yeah, isn't it funny that I keep telling you guys that my husband's gonna change that and you're probably still freaking annoyed? I'm really sorry. I'm thinking about buying foundations that I've never bought before and doing like foundation reviews. Like, wake up in the morning, apply them, and let you guys follow me throughout my day. So let me know if you'd be interested in something like that. That way I can get on it, because I feel like doing foundation Fridays, foundation, I don't know, what is a good name that you guys can think of? My skin was doing so good, but I did get a facial, so that might have been it. I don't know. Oh, and I hate getting it in my hair. So annoying. I'm gonna run it down my neck a little bit. It's really hard when you're trying to wear darker foundations and you wear shirts like this, because like, who has time to go in all of that with foundation? But I'm not going anywhere right now. I'm not gonna worry about that so much. Anyway, today I'm just gonna go in with the CoverGirl Clean Matte Concealer, which I don't think this one's matte. It's pretty dewy, to be honest. I'm just gonna like pack it under there, girl. So there you go, just a little bit. I didn't go too crazy. A lot of you are probably like, just a little bit, girl. Like, that looks like a lot. Alright, then I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face using the Coty. Nope, actually I'm gonna conceal right here. I forgot I've been doing that lately. Going with the LA Colors what am I saying? Contour palette, okay? So we're just gonna use this one. I'm gonna use the Too Faced, is it? Yeah, Contour Bouquet from Too Faced. And I'm gonna go in with this shade here. That one, like the cool tone, and I'm gonna contour. Just kidding. I see a product that I've been wanting. I've been using it, but I forgot right now. This is Milani Glow Luminescence Bronzer. It's so beautiful. To it with a big brush, and I just bronze my face. I'm wearing this shirt. I'm just gonna like throw this all over. Just to kind of, you know, there you go, to kind of blend me in a little. Go back into that palette and I can continue. We're gonna use this one. This is Party by Tarte. It's just a really pretty pink, like a baby pink. I really want to use something gold, something that pops. So we're going to go in with the LA Color Strobing. I don't even know if this is the one I want. And just setting with the Max Fix Plus. I'm gonna do like a little more wild of a look. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick off screen and then I will be right back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply this to my lids. This is concealer and that's usually what I use to prime my lids. Nothing. I do want to try the P. Louise base. Is that what it's called? P. Louise. I did my brows a little thin this time. Figured I would try that. I'm gonna use this one, is the I don't know, something. And I'm just gonna apply it like on the top of my cheekbones. I'm trying something different. Alright, for my eyes, I am gonna go into the Conspiracy palette once again, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Tanacon. Kind of with a dense brush. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of Diet Root Beer. And just push that in as well. Okay, I'm just going to go in with the blending brush and just blend all of this out. For the lid today, I'm gonna go in with Flaming Hot. It's just a red color. I know, I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but we're gonna try this out. And then for the crease, to clean it up, I'm gonna go in with some more Tanacon, just to help blend everything out. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Ranch, and I'm just gonna highlight that inner corner. So pretty. Blending it all out. Something I'm gonna add Illuminati, because it's like a green shade. Is this a green shade? Kind of a green shade, but not. So I'm gonna go. This is the Tribe by Juvia's. See, I guess, and it's like a really pretty green shade. I'm just gonna pat this all along the lower lash line. For lips, I'm gonna do something nude, and this is the Maybelline Driver. If you enjoyed this really quick Christmas look, if you're in a hurry and you just need to be at a Christmas party or anything like that, or you just want to be festive for the night. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.